On view.
Oh.
It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter.
No, he doesn't care. He just squeaked.
Yeah, exactly. He's like Linus.
I don't know which of them squeaked.
It was Keto.
Was it Keto?
Yeah.
Okay.
Er hun ligesom Benny?
Ja.
She's more energetic. Oh!
Hun er lidt mere energien, det er han ikke lige vant til.
Den blev våd.
Det gjorde Signe, han var bare rolig. Det var Frida,
Keto.
det var Frida, der sprang i vandet, det var ikke Keto.
Helt rolig, bare rolig.
Så du får ikke en våd hund.
Keto. Dicty.
She's like, what? That's pussy. Give me the
No
fucking
humpy Keto. Keto.
You want a cup of coffee?
No, I'm good, thank you.
You want a cup of coffee?
No, thank you.
Oh my god, he's all wet now. And she is as well. She loves the pond.
Ja.
Jeg skal lige hen, hvis gamle tager til
Du hopper ned.
She's almost all in.
Oh, we need to take her to the lake.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
I'm like the nosy neighbor.